Great good morning to my regarded principal, madam, sir, and my everything associated. I would like to say thank you for giving me such an incredible chance to talk about the Republic Day. I am Jyoti Rajak from SY BEF. Today we as a whole are here to celebrate 72nd Republic Day on our country. This is an incredible and favorable event for every one of us. We have to welcome each other for the Republic Day, and we have to pray from God to enhance our country. We observe Republic Day in India consistently on 26 January as the Constitution of India came into constraint. At this day, we are consistently praising the Republic Day celebrated in India since 1950 as on 26th of January 1950. In India Constitution came into constraint. It is an important day for all of the Indians. Today, when a few fellow in today when a few fellow Indians talk about the fear or losing the basic right that the Constitution has given us, this day become more important. Although we celebrate Republic Day as a national festival since our childhood, but we understood the real importance of this day when we grow up. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. On this day, in the year 1950, Constitution of India came into efforts. Our Constitution gives us the various rights and responsibility too. We live in a democratic country where people enjoy their fundamental rights in society. We have a different caste, religions, or many other things that separate us. But on the border of picture, we all are Indians. India is a land which is a great example of our diversity, unity in diversity. The beauty of our country is have a different languages, and we have also conflict and different, but on national festival we all stand as a united force. It is always become a memorable day for all of us. Many of us may recall this day as a festival and celebrate it in school by participating in a cultural program and in other activity. For a few of us, this is the day we get up to watch the Republic Day parade. In the military parade that stand from Vijay Chowk and culminated at the Red Fort in the national capital, that is Delhi. The weapon and the equipment that the army shows in the parade reflect the power of our armed force. On this day, the awards and medal of bravery are also given to the armed force and to the civilians too. The main attraction for the bravery award is in the young kids who are awarded by the prime minister for showering ultimate limited bravery besides being young who have saved the life of other people. When the helicopter passed by showering flower on the audience, everyone feel special. The program end with the national anthem. Whether we are at home or watching the parade personally, you get up to give respect to the national anthem. It is a day that makes us think beyond the caste, religions, state, languages, and color, and we all feel the same emotions of loving our country. Thank you. Jai Hind.